Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to talk all about equipment loans that you can get for your startup business or one that's already established. Please make sure you stay to the end because I'm also going to be teaching you guys how you can get revenue-based business funding that does not require any minimal credit scores. So if you already have that money coming in, you can get some funding to take your business to the next level. So we are back with another video today, and I want to let you guys know about this equipment loan. This particular company, Roke Financial, I have been working with them for 2 years now, and within the past 2 years, I have helped hundreds of clients get funding through them. You actually can do your own application. It is a very simple one-page app, just giving your business details and revenues, things of that nature. So I've seen people get approved as low as $6,500 for their startup businesses, all the way up to $120,000, just depending on your revenue that's coming in, different options that they have. So one of the options that they have I'm going to speak about today is going to be the equipment loan. Now, I want to let you guys know what types of businesses actually qualify, so I'm pulling that up right now. So this is going to be for a plethora of business types. So we have your transportation businesses. If you need equipment for your transportation business, if you are in engineering, manufacturing, woodworks, fabrications, packaging, if you have a printing company, they also will assist you with getting digital printers, whatever you need for that type of printing company. They also do equipment loans for restaurants, whatever equipment you may need for your restaurant, or maybe a food truck. Even other industries like cannabis, medical, med spas, if you need like IVs, rehabilitation equipment, and last but not least, one that I think applies to a lot of people would be technology. So you can actually get an equipment loan if you need different type of computers, servers, scanners, whatever type of business that may fall under technology. I will be sure to put this up on the screen for you guys just so y'all can see the different options that you have. But they actually service a plethora of businesses when it comes to you being able to get these equipment loans. And as far as your actual qualifications to be approved, I wanted to go in with that next and let you know what the requirements are for your business equipment funding. Now, they do have 3 different options you can get as far as equipment financing. As far as this, you do have to have a minimal credit score of a 550 FICO score, which isn't a super high score required, especially when you're actually needing to get these equipment loans. So minimally, you need to have a 550 for their 2 basic options for the equipment financing. And if you're going to be getting up into those bigger amounts, bigger equipment, you could at the max need a 650 credit score. Now, as far as the equipment loan is considered, you don't necessarily already have to be in business per se. So for example, if you have an equipment that you need to purchase for your business, if you can at least show them proof of an invoice for purchase, what the item is, the company that you're looking to purchase from, they will use that as your proof of funds that your business can bring in actual income, along with, you having that minimal 550 credit score, your current balance sheet for your actual business, and the equipment invoice, and at least 3 months of business bank statements. So with the equipment loan, you're going to do your quick 1-page application, filling out everything as far as your business details and you are going to be contacted directly by a loan advisor. Now, with this company, they have multiple loan options, which I'll go into more at the end of the video. So your advisor is going to let you know what you qualify for based on the information you gave. So minimally, to get started with that equipment loan, remember you need at least a 550 credit score, at least 3 business bank statements, your equipment invoice if you have an item you're already looking to purchase, or some type of business debt schedule, your income and your expenses, depending on which loan you get approved for. So this is a great option for startup companies because all you need is an invoice, or if you already have your business established and you just need to add on to what you're doing to make more income. This is a great option for you if you don't have the best credit as well. So I would strongly recommend that you do your application with Roke Financial. I'm going to be sure to put the link in the description for you guys if you want to go ahead and do your equipment loan application, or you can type equipment in the comments section and I'll be sure to send you the direct link so you can get started with your application today. I want to make sure everybody is getting funded this year. That is my number one goal for you guys, making sure y'all are getting the money you need for your businesses. Now, as far as how much can you get, I know that's a big question that you guys are having. With your equipment loans, it can start out roughly at about $10,000 and it can go up towards in the millions. Now, obviously, if you're going to get a higher amount, that's more where you're going to be having that requirement for a 650 credit score or higher, and you're going to have to show more proof of financials. But if you're getting started with, some starter amounts, 10, 20,000s and up, that 550 minimal credit score is where you're going to start out at. So those are the basic requirements, and that's pretty much how much you can start out with getting. So this is a great option for starters. And then the last thing, I know people have questions about the payback period. They do have multiple options for you to be paying back these loans. Some of the loans you may be able to pay back on a weekly to monthly basis, and then depending on how big they are, they also have extended loan terms to where you can pay it back within 1 to 4 years. It again really just depends on what you get approved for. So I really love this company because it's a simple application, and again, you're going to have your loan advisor give you a call, let you know everything that you qualify for. They're going to let you know any additional documents you might have missed or they may need to get you approved, and you literally can get funding within 3 to 7 business days. I've seen it happen time and time again with the people that I have already seen apply for this and get approved. And just so you guys know, I am going to add on the screen some of the approvals that I have seen since I've been working with them, so you guys can see that the amounts can vary. It can be starting, the lowest I've seen is 650, at the highest 120,000, but it's very possible to get these loans for your equipment. And for the bonus, I wanted to let you guys know about the other financing options Roke Financial has available for you. So they do have more of a revenue-based loan, and with this, you need a minimum of 3 business bank statements. You must at least bring in $10,000 per month, and you can show proof of that on your business bank statements. So that means your business is bringing in $10,000. It doesn't necessarily mean that that's how much you have to have in the bank. Just as long as you can show proof that that is how much you're bringing in minimally. So your 3 business bank statements, you're bringing in at least $10,000 per month, and there is no minimal credit check with these revenue-based loans at all. Like literally, there's no credit check, minimal score you need to have. So it is a great option for you to do. They also have business lines of credit that you can get approved for as well. And then last but not least, which I was super excited about, is they also have SBA loans that they can assist you with getting approved for. Now, as far as these SBA loans are concerned, they do have a little bit more as far as the requirements, which I'm going to put those on the screen for you guys real quick, and I'm just going to kind of read them off and explain them to you. So as far as funding with the SBA loan, it is a bit of a longer process. It can take about 2 to 4 weeks for you to get your funding. They have terms up to 10 years. With the SBA, you can get a longer term on whatever loan you're getting. This is government-backed funds. And the minimum qualifications for the SBA loans, you need to be in business for at least 3 years, have $250,000 of gross annual revenue, and a 675 credit score as well. Even if you at least meet the requirements as far as the 675 credit score and the 3 years in business, how much your business is bringing in can actually, be a little different, so that we can ensure you also get a SBA loan, which is backed by the government. And the great thing about SBA loans is they give you a longer term, and their interest rates are actually usually pretty low with them. So it is something that I would recommend as well. So I want you guys to comment funding in the comments for me. I want you to fill out this one-page application. It literally takes like 5 to 7 minutes to see what loan options you may be eligible for, whether it's going to be your revenue-based loans, where you're showing proof with your bank statements and at least $10,000 in income coming into the business, SBA loan, where they're going to be pulling your credit, or the equipment loan that has a credit score minimum as low as 550. I want to make sure y'all are applying, getting the money you need for your business so that you can take it to the next level, whether you're just getting started out or you already have something good established. So thank you guys again so much for tuning in to my video. Last but not least, I do also want to let you guys know that I do offer business consultations. So if you have a business and you want my help with getting funding for it, whether you want to go the route of just building business credit and getting funding there, you want to get some business credit cards and loans, doing a personal guarantee, or you want more information about revenue-based loans, I am happy to help you through this process, and we can just do a consultation where I answer all your questions and lead you on the right track. And if there's any way that I can assist you with actually doing the funding for you, I'm happy to do that as well. So I am going to link that above so you guys can book your business consultation. But if you want to just type consultation in the comments, I am happy to send you the direct link. And last but not least, if you've made it to the end of this video, please comment you made it so I know that we are locked in. And like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot to say that, but I'll see y'all next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.